wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Amirah. I'm from MI Data Ismail Puntian, Johor, Malaysia, and I will be teaching you number bases. So, before we dive deeper into the oceans of number bases, you need to know what is our objectives of the day. So, I will be teaching you about digits, converting to base 10, from base 10 to the other base, from one base to the other base, converting from binary to octal, and vice versa, and also lastly, calculation, which is include addition and subtraction. So, let us start with our first objective, which is digits. So, as you can see here, I have drawn a table, which is this is number base, this is digits. What does it mean by this table? So, let me tell you that number base 2 only have 2 digits, which is 0 and 1. Number base 3 only have 3 digits, which is 0, 1, 2. Okay, let me give you an example if you don't get it, what I'm trying to say. So, let us take one number, which is 1001 base 2. So, as I said before, the number base 2 will only have 2 digits, which is 0 and 1. So, here you can see that we have digit 0 and digit 1. Digit 0 and digit 1 under number base 2. So that's what I'm trying to say. So second example, let us take a look at 563 base 7. So as I said before, if you can see here, number base 7, we only have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as the digits on the number 7. So here you can see that 5 is here, 5 is over here, 6 is here, 6 is over here, and 3 is here, and 3 is over here. So let us move on to our second objective, which is converting a number to a number base 10. So you can refer to the example that I have been prepared here. So I will explain about what is actually happening here. So I'm giving you an example, which is 1 0 1 base 2. Okay. In order to convert it into base 10, you need to identify first. You need to identify what is the number base here. So we got 2 as the number base. And then, second, you need to identify the last digit. So this is the last digit, and this is the first digit. Okay. And then third, you need to take the number base and then power it starting from 0. What does it mean? So, let me show you. You take the number base 2. So, 2 power it to 0, 2 power it to 1, 2 power it to 2, 2 power it to 3. And then what you need to do starting from here is to multiply it. So to make sure that you will not get confused, you need to draw a line here. Draw the line, and then you just need to times them. So 1 times 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 0 times 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 0. 1 times 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 4. 1 times 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So, just add all of these digits, add them, and you will get the final answer, which is 13 base 10. Let us move on to our third objective, which is converting from number base 10 to the other number base. So this is the example that I've been prepared. So I will explain to you what is actually happening here. So I will be giving you an example, which is 563 base 10. Need to convert it into base 5. So in order to convert from number base 10 to the other number base, either 5, 4, 3, 9, you need to use the repeated division. Okay, so repeated division. So how you will be doing it? So as you need to convert from 563 base 10 to base 5, you need to divide it by 5. Okay, this is the process. So in order to convert it, the most crucial digits that you need to have is the remainder. What does it mean is when you're doing the 563 divided by 5, you can't use calculator as you need the remainder. So you need to use the traditional process, which is 563 divided by 5. You will get 112 remainder 3. So you will get 112 remainder 3. So this 3 is very useful for us. So you need to write it by here, 112 remainder 3. Okay, and then you need to continue the process. So 112 divided by 5. So 112 divided by 5, you will get 22 remainder 2. So here 22 remainder 2. Okay, and then you will continue doing the same step. 22 divided by 5, we will get 4 times 5 is 20, right? So here you will get 4 base 4 remainder 2, and then here 4 cannot divide by 5. So what you need to do is just write 0 over here and bring 4 over here too. So how you're gonna write the answer is you need to read it from bottom. So you will get 4223. So the answer from 563 base 10, when you convert it into base 5, you will get the answer, which is 4223 base 5. Fourth objective, which is you need to convert from one base to another base. So this is the formula, which is when you need to convert from one base to another base. First of all, you need to convert to base 10, and then you need to use the repeated division. So this is the example that I've been prepared for you guys, and I will be explaining about what is actually happening here. So the example that have been given here is 127 base 10. Base 8, you need to convert it into base 5. Okay, so in this process you need a large space. So I will be divided into 2. Okay, so first of all, as you need to convert into base 10, you need to remember how to convert it. So as usual, 127 base 8, just divide it. Okay, and then first you need to identify the number base. You need to identify the number base, and then identify the last digit, and then this is the first digit, and then take the number base and power it with 0, starting with 0. So 8 power of 0, 8 power of 1, 8 power of 2. So 7 times 8 power of 0 is equal to 7. 2 times 8 is equal to 16, and then 1 times 8 to the power of 2 is equal to 64, and plus, and then you will get the answer. 64 plus 16 plus 7 is equal to 87 base 10. Okay, so you get the answer in base 10. So from here, you need to use the repeated division as I teach you before. So 87 base 10 divided by 5. Remember to use the traditional way in divide them. So 87 divided by 5, you will get your answer 17 remainder 2. So you will get 17 remainder 2. 17 remainder 2. Then continue the process. 17 divided by 5. So we get 3 remainder 2. And then 3 cannot divide by 5. So just write 0 right here and bring 3 here. So you will get the answer 127 base 8 is equal to 322 base 5. Fifth objective, which is converting from binary to octal and from octal to binary. So binary is actually number base 2, octal is actually number base 8. So the example given here is 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 base 2, convert it to base 8. Okay, so first you need to divide it into in 3 digits. So write it from the back, as you need to avoid the mistake that you might do. So 1 0 1. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it back. 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1. So as you can see here, we got 3 digits, and 3 digits. So yeah, you need to divide it so that you won't get confused. Okay, so in order to convert, you need to use the number 2. You need to use number 2 here. So what I'm actually trying to tell you is, let me show you. So 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. Same goes to here. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. And same goes as here. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. So this is how you do it. So like usual, you need to just multiply it. So 1 times 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 0 times 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 0. 1 times 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. 1 times 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 1 times 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. 0 times 0. 0 times 0. 0 times 0. 1 times 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. Okay. So from here, what you actually need to do? So just just add all the digits here. So add this between this number, add between these digits, add between these digits. So you will get 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 4 is equal to 4, and from here 4 3 5. So 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 base 2 is equal to 435 base 8. Addition and also subtraction. So I'll be giving you an example. So the example is 673 base 8 plus 175 base 8. So I'll be teaching you using the vertical form. This is how you're gonna do it. So 673 base 8 plus 175 base 8. You need to remember when you add a number bases, it won't be the same as you add a normal number. So let me teach you how you'll be doing it. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So you need to remember that under number base 8, the digits that we have is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the last digit. So 8 can't be there. So what you need to do is you need to prepare a number which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 it will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and after 17 will be 20, and so on. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So 8 under number base 8 is equal to 10. So you need to write it 10. So 1 is here. So 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 7. It will probably equal to 8 plus 7 will be probably equal to 15. So we can't write 15 over here. So 8 is equal to 10, right? So from 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 17. So here we got 1 plus 6 equal to 7, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, and 8 in our under number base 8 is equal to 10. So the answer is 1070 base 8. For subtraction, it will be a little bit different from addition. So I'll be giving you an example, which is 673 base 9 minus 175 base 9. So we got base 9 over here. So 673 base 9 minus 175 base 9. So as we got 3 minus 5, we can't 3 can't subtract with 5, right? So what you need to do is you need to borrow from the other number. But you need to remember, when you borrow from the other number, here will be 6. But this 3 will get number 9. As you borrow a value from 7, which is the value that you borrow from 7 is actually 9. If your questions asks you, for example, 673 base 8 minus 175 base 8. So when you borrow from 7, it will be 6, and this number 3 will get base 8, so it will be 8 over here. So you need to remember that law. So over here we need to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So we get 3 over here. So just plus it. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and then you got 6 minus 7. So 6 can't minus 7. So you need to borrow from the other number. So here we got 5, and this 6 will get 9, and 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, and 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So the answer is 487 base 9. That's how you do it. It's very simple, and you need to know, if you want to score in mathematics, you need to always do the exercise. That's all from me, Amirah.